Hi, I'm Paul with PatLite, and today I'd like to talk to you about optimizing your manufacturing processes during this coronavirus pandemic. The virus has really caused havoc in our manufacturing processes. Perhaps you've experienced demand fluctuations where you don't know how much product you need to produce, so you have to adjust your schedules from time to time. Or perhaps you've had to make personnel adjustments because you don't know who's coming in, or maybe you've had to move people around. Or perhaps you had to close some factories. Or you've had to think about delaying capital investments. Or you're having difficulties monitoring remote factories, especially the ones that are offshore. But during all this fluctuation, are you able to keep track of your productivity? Is it going up? Is it going down? Or has it stayed the same? So one way to find out is by taking a look at your factory. If you look at your factory, there's a lot of equipment that has signal towers. There's even maybe some work cells that have signal towers. Basically, signal towers work the same. The red means something went wrong. The yellow, that something is not as bad, or maybe you're having a tooling change or a maintenance stop. And the green, everything is fine. Of course, the more green that you have, the better your productivity. So that's what we want to achieve. But do you know which machine has the green light on more than others, or which work cell is doing better than others? One way to find out is by implementing our WD wireless data acquisition system. You take this wireless transmitter, integrate it into a PatLite signal tower. What this does is turn a common signal tower into a tool that can help improve your productivity. As different lights come on and off, the transmitter will send this data wirelessly to a receiver. And from the receiver, you could show it on an and-on display, so that as soon as a red light comes on, you know exactly which machine it is, and you could take immediate action. Also, the PC records a CSV file that has a timestamp on it, so you know exactly when different events occurred for each machine or work cell. As you look at your Gantt chart more closely, you'll notice different colors. You may have been aware of these longer stoppages, but not aware of the shorter ones. By looking into why these occurred, you're able to keep the green light on longer. Looking at the yellow areas, you may wonder why it took much less time to set up the machine on that day versus this day. By looking into that, you're able to improve your processes. Looking at the white areas, you can see and find out why the machine was down. Basically, white areas means that the lights were totally off, no alarms are going on. By continuing to ask these why questions, why this, why that, you're able to improve your processes. PatLite actually implemented the WD wireless data acquisition system in our own factories. In 1 month, by making some minor adjustments, we were able to see a reduction in downtime by 7.3%. In addition to that, we're able to monitor our factory in Indonesia. So we believe that the WD wireless data acquisition system will be able to help you improve and monitor your processes during these changing environment that we have right now and beyond. For more information, please feel free to ask us. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.